Benalmádena, located on the sunny Costa del Sol in southern Spain, is a popular destination renowned for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and lively atmosphere. This charming town offers a perfect blend of modern amenities and traditional Andalusian charm, making it an ideal location for tourists seeking both relaxation and adventure. The area enjoys a temperate Mediterranean climate, which makes it an all-year-round destination for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Benalmádena boasts a wealth of cultural attractions, including the Benalmádena Pueblo. The Old Town, which is a beautiful maze of narrow, whitewashed streets adorned with colorful flowers. This picturesque village is perched on a hilltop, offering spectacular views of the Mediterranean Sea. Its traditional Andalusian architecture, cobbled streets, and quaint squares make it a lovely place to wander around, allowing visitors to experience the charm and history of the region. Here, tourists can enjoy a blend of modernity and tradition. The town is also home to several beautiful beaches, such as Playa de Benalmádena and Playa de Santa Ana. These sandy stretches are perfect for lounging in the sun, enjoying water sports, or simply taking in the coastal scenery. The clear, turquoise waters of the Mediterranean provide ideal conditions for swimming, while beach bars offer delicious refreshments to enjoy while relaxing. The beach promenade is lined with shops, restaurants, and cafes, making it a lively and pleasant spot for an afternoon stroll. One of the most iconic landmarks of Benalmádena is the Castillo de Colomares, an enchanting castle built in tribute to Christopher Columbus. The castle, which is a blend of various architectural styles, stands as a symbol of Spain's rich history and maritime heritage. The intricately designed building is surrounded by beautiful gardens and provides stunning views of the surrounding area, making it a must-visit attraction for history buffs and architecture lovers alike. Benalmádena is also famous for its world-class marina, Puerto Marina, which is often considered one of the best in Europe. The marina is home to luxury yachts, vibrant shops, upscale restaurants, and lively bars. Visitors can stroll along the waterfront, admire the sleek boats, or indulge in fresh seafood at one of the many seafood restaurants offering breathtaking views of the harbor. The marina's atmosphere is lively and cosmopolitan, offering a perfect place to relax, people watch, or enjoy a cocktail while watching the sunset. Another popular attraction in Benalmádena is the Tivoli World Amusement Park. This family-friendly destination is perfect for visitors of all ages and offers a wide variety of rides, from thrilling roller coasters to gentle carousels. The park is set in beautiful surroundings, and its green spaces and vibrant atmosphere make it a great place for a fun-filled day with the family. Tivoli World also hosts live shows, concerts, and performances, making it an entertainment hub for both locals and tourists. For those interested in the natural beauty of the region, the Benalmádena Cable Car, Teleférico de Benalmádena, offers a thrilling ride to the top of Mount Calamoro. The panoramic views from the cable car provide a bird's-eye view of Benalmádena, the coastline, and even the distant mountain ranges. At the top, visitors can enjoy scenic hiking trails, bird-watching opportunities, and, in the summer months, even watch spectacular falconry demonstrations. The Benalmádena Butterfly Park, Mariposario de Benalmádena, is another fascinating attraction for nature lovers. This tropical garden houses over 1,500 butterflies from more than 150 species around the world. Visitors can walk through the lush, tropical environment, surrounded by colorful butterflies and exotic plants. The park is an educational experience, as it teaches visitors about the life cycle of butterflies and the importance of preserving biodiversity. The town is also home to a range of art and cultural attractions, including the Benalmádena Museum, which showcases an impressive collection of contemporary art and historical artifacts. The museum's diverse exhibitions and cultural programs offer a glimpse into the region's artistic legacy and vibrant local culture. The town regularly hosts cultural events, concerts, and festivals, including the renowned Benalmádena Carnival, which brings the streets to life with parades, music, and dance. Benalmádena is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. The nearby Sierra de Mejas mountain range provides ample opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, and nature walks. The hills are dotted with scenic viewpoints, offering stunning views of the town, the coastline, and the surrounding countryside. The area is rich in flora and fauna, making it an excellent location for nature lovers looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the beach. For visitors looking to indulge in some retail therapy, Benalmádena has a number of shopping centers, markets, and boutiques offering a variety of goods. The Arroyo de la Miel area is particularly popular for its selection of shops, while the local markets sell everything from fresh produce to handcrafted souvenirs. Whether looking for fashion, local delicacies, or unique gifts, Benalmádena offers a range of shopping experiences to suit every taste. Benalmádena is also a gastronomic destination, offering a wide range of dining options. Traditional Andalusian cuisine is at the heart of the local food scene, with numerous restaurants serving fresh seafood, tapas, and Mediterranean dishes. For those seeking international flavors, there are plenty of options, from Italian and Indian to Asian fusion. The town's diverse food scene ensures there is something to suit every palate, from casual beachside dining to fine dining in elegant restaurants. The city's vibrant nightlife is another draw for visitors. Benalmádena is home to a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues, where locals and tourists gather to enjoy music, drinks, and dancing. Whether it's a laid-back evening sipping cocktails by the marina or a lively night out in one of the town's nightclubs, Benalmádena offers a range of nightlife options for every taste and preference. The town's proximity to other nearby destinations makes it a great base for exploring the Costa del Sol. Just a short drive away from popular cities like Malaga, Marbella, and Fuengirola, Benalmádena offers visitors easy access to a variety of attractions and experiences. Whether you want to visit historical sites, enjoy more beach activities, or explore bustling urban areas, Benalmádena's location makes it an excellent starting point for discovering the beauty of southern Spain. The town is also well served by transportation links, including a modern bus system, train services, and easy access to Malaga Airport. This makes it convenient for visitors traveling to and from the region. Whether you're arriving by car, public transport, or plane, getting to Benalmádena is easy and hassle-free, adding to the overall convenience of visiting this wonderful destination. Benalmádena's charm extends to its friendly, welcoming atmosphere. The locals are known for their hospitality, and visitors often find the town to have a relaxed and laid-back vibe. This makes it a perfect destination for those looking to escape the pressures of everyday life and enjoy a slower pace, whether it's by lounging on the beach, savoring delicious food, or simply enjoying the stunning natural beauty of the area. The town's strategic location, combined with its abundance of attractions and amenities, makes it an excellent destination for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, culture, or natural beauty, Benalmádena has something for everyone. From its gorgeous beaches to its rich history and vibrant cultural scene, this delightful Spanish town is sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Benalmádena's charm lies in its diversity, offering something for everyone. Beyond its stunning beaches and natural landscapes, the town also has a rich heritage that is evident in its architecture and historical sites. The Benalmádena Stupa, one of the largest Buddhist stupas in Europe, is a significant cultural and spiritual landmark. Visitors can explore the peaceful gardens surrounding the stupa and enjoy panoramic views of the coastline, providing a serene escape from the bustling tourist areas. The town is also home to a number of parks and green spaces, offering residents and visitors plenty of opportunities to relax and enjoy nature. The Paloma Park, located in the heart of Benalmádena, is a beautifully landscaped space featuring a variety of plant species, tranquil lakes, and charming walking paths. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including birds, rabbits, and ducks, making it a popular spot for families, nature lovers, and those looking for a peaceful place to unwind. Benalmádena is a town that celebrates its cultural identity through a range of festivals and events throughout the year. In addition to the vibrant Benalmádena Carnival, the town also hosts the annual Benalmádena Music Festival, which attracts musicians and artists from around the world. These cultural events are an excellent way for visitors to immerse themselves in the local traditions and experience the vibrant energy of the town. Whether through music, dance, or theatrical performances, Benalmádena's festivals offer an unforgettable experience for all. The town's location along the Costa del Sol also makes it an ideal spot for water sports enthusiasts. From sailing and jet skiing to windsurfing and scuba diving, there are countless opportunities to enjoy the Mediterranean Sea. The crystal clear waters and mild climate make Benalmádena a perfect destination for both beginners and experienced water sports enthusiasts. The local marina offers rentals and lessons, ensuring that everyone can experience the thrill of being on the water. Benalmádena's rich history and cultural heritage can also be explored through its museums and galleries. The Benalmádena Archaeological Museum offers a fascinating insight into the region's past, with exhibits that showcase the town's ancient history, including Roman and Moorish influences. The museum's collection of artifacts provides a glimpse into the everyday lives of those who once lived in this beautiful part of Spain. For art lovers, the town also features a variety of galleries showcasing works by local and international artists. Another highlight of Benalmádena is its thriving culinary scene. The town is home to a wide variety of restaurants that offer everything from traditional Andalusian dishes to international cuisine. One of the most popular local specialties is pescado frito, a dish made with small fried fish that is a staple of the region's coastal cuisine. Benalmádena's restaurants offer delicious tapas, fresh seafood, and Mediterranean dishes that are sure to satisfy even the most discerning food lover. The town also attracts visitors for its excellent shopping opportunities. From high-end boutiques and international brands to traditional markets and artisan shops, Benalmádena offers a range of options for those looking to indulge in a little retail therapy. The town's shopping scene is diverse and caters to all tastes and budgets, whether you're looking for unique souvenirs, fashion, or local handicrafts. The bustling commercial areas are perfect for leisurely shopping or picking up gifts for loved ones. For those seeking an active holiday, Benalmádena offers a wide range of outdoor activities. The surrounding natural beauty makes it an ideal destination for hiking, cycling, and mountain biking. The hills and mountains surrounding the town provide scenic trails that offer breathtaking views of the coastline and countryside. Whether you are an experienced hiker or a beginner, there are plenty of trails to explore, ensuring an enjoyable and active experience for all. Benalmádena's strong sense of community and warm atmosphere make it a welcoming destination for travelers of all kinds. The local residents take pride in their town and are always eager to share their culture, traditions, and knowledge with visitors. The town is known for its relaxed and friendly vibe, where tourists can feel at home and enjoy a genuine experience of Spanish hospitality. Whether you're visiting for a few days or planning to stay longer, Benalmádena's charm will quickly win you over. In addition to its cultural and historical attractions, Benalmádena is an ideal base for exploring the broader region of Andalusia. The town is located within easy reach of Malaga, a city famous for its rich history, art, and vibrant nightlife. It is also close to other notable Andalusian towns and cities, such as Marbella, Ronda, and Granada, making it a great starting point for day trips and excursions. Benalmádena's location on the Costa del Sol means that visitors can easily explore the best of southern Spain while enjoying the town's many amenities. Benalmádena is also home to some of the best golf courses on the Costa del Sol. The region is known for its world-class golf facilities, and Benalmádena is no exception. The town offers several golf courses that cater to players of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. Golfers can enjoy stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding mountains while playing on beautifully designed courses. Whether you're an avid golfer or just looking to try something new, Benalmádena offers excellent opportunities for golf enthusiasts.